students. This is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Today we are going to learn about distribution of minerals. Now, we can say that if a rock looks bluish in color, copper content is there. We can always tell if a rock contains copper because then the rock looks blue in color. Minerals occur in different type of rocks. Some are found in igneous rocks, some in metamorphic rocks, while others occur in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks, and these formations that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada, iron nickel chromides and platinum in South Africa. These are some examples of minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock formations of plains and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals. For example, limestone deposits of Caucasus region in France, manganese deposits of Georgia and Ukraine, phosphate beds of Algeria. These are some examples of sedimentary rocks, the minerals which are found in sedimentary rocks. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. So, first we are going to know about the continent Asia. In Asia, which minerals are deposited and which countries are leading producers. China and India have large iron ore deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. It means more than 50% of tin is produced in India and China. After this, China, Malaysia and Indonesia, these are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungsten. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. So this was about Asia. Continent Asia has so many minerals and deposits are found in many countries like China, Malaysia, Indonesia. These are leading producers of minerals. Next one is Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore, and the countries with large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France. Minerals deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. And remember one thing, Switzerland has no known mineral deposit in it. The country Switzerland has no known mineral deposit in it. Okay?